Hello everyone of Laura's All in All's Kitchen. Thank you all for subscribing and liking. May God bless you. This is garden egg. If you want to see how I prepared it, just watch us on our YouTube channel Laura All in All and you will see the process. Hello family, friends of Laura All in All. Tonight you're going to be cooking garden egg. Here where I live we have other color, but I'm using the Nigerian one, so this is how it is. I'm leaving it, so I'm going to cover it. So this very pot is very good, you know, very good. So heavy, but it's good and delicious for your food. As you can see, it doesn't get burnt and it's very good for you to do the cooking. So the next process I'm going to be adding fresh pepper. I'm leaving it inside the garden egg. They will boil together. I'm going to use a twist of bell pepper just to garnish it, to make it look beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to be adding that one. So in here I will be using my purple onions. I'm using my purple onions. This is my purple onions, and I'm using crayfish and other ingredients. So you're going to be seeing it the way I put it. So just watch me. I'm going to be leaving the fresh pepper inside. So I've added the pepper. I'm using not the green type. I'm using this red color. I just want that garnishing that look like stew type. So I'm just going to leave it to boil for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and here about we just have to put the fork. If it sip in, that means it is ready. So stay tuned. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to Laura's Kitchen, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, here is our garden egg. It's ready. So I'm going to be putting it, and I will show you the way I want to beat it. So we just remove it, and I'm moving it. Then I'm going to remove the pot as well, because I'm using the pot himself to fry what I want to fry. Okay, so you guys know what is this. So I'm using this to press them or grind them, because I don't want it to be too smooth. You just grind it this way. The way I'm doing it with the fresh pepper, you mix everything together. Okay, so this took about 15 minutes. Hello friends and family. Please, if you can indicate where you are watching us from, so we can send you a hug for following our channel. So you just keep doing it to your taste. I don't like mine to be too smooth, so you keep doing yours the way you feel it's okay for you. So I'm going to do it a little bit more. Use a little bit force to keep grinding it. It's garden egg, the Nigerian type. Where I live, we can still have other garden eggs that they use as well. Still very good and delicious. So, but I just like this fresh pepper on it. I will garnish it and just give me a twist of the color. So I'm just going to leave it a little bit more, and I'm going to show you. Okay, here we are. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to first put we call it the soft chicken. So I've just garnished it with little bit of spices. I'm going to be frying this. As you can see, we're going to be trying this. Just little bit. At the process, I'm adding my onion to it. Keep frying. So I'm just going to leave it for 2 minutes or so. Then I'll keep grinding my garden egg. So we're going to add everything together. You can see the aroma. If you guys are here, you will just smell. Then I'm going to add a twist, a red bell pepper. So I'm going to I don't want it to cook. I just want it to just blend with the onions. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. So tell me what we can use in eating it. So at this process, I'm going to be adding the garden egg. As you can see, blended to my taste. If you want a smoother paste, you can still do it. But I want mine to be like this, roughly blended. At this point, I'll keep stirring. Remember, we have not yet put the Maggi sauce. We have not put anything. So I'm just going to at this point, I'm adding my crayfish. And I'm adding my Maggi cube. I just use one and a little salt. Be careful at this process that you don't want to spoil it with too much of Maggi or too much of salt. Be moderate in all you are cooking. Don't let salt be the chairman of your food. So at this moment, I'm just going to add a little bit water because I feel it's too thick. So I'm adding a little bit water to it. So what I did basically was to rinse the garden egg, the paste I used, I just added it because I believe it's too thick. So my protein I'm using today is goat meat. As you all know, I love goat meat so much. So the water, little water I added, we just cook it for like, we are leaving this for like 5 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding my goat meat, already fried. I frozen it so that I can use it for my cooking, and some turkey. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cover it for 5 minutes. Then I will lower my gas. Low heat, cook it in a very low heat for this 5 minutes so that your pots don't get burnt. Hello family. So this after 6 minutes to 7 minutes, and garden egg is ready. Woo-hoo. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Can you guys see? So at this point, if you decide to add vegetables, you can add to it. If you decide to add more tomatoes, fresh one, you can add to it. But this is how I love it. So if there's other process to prepare it, let me know. And I'm using mine with plantain. See the goat's meat. See. This is not an ocean. It's not running. It's not running at all. It's not running at all. Can you guys see? This after 6 minutes, it's ready. If you know that your food is ready, you will see the oil on top. You can see it's ready. If not, the little water I added to it will be one way, River Jordan, and it will be other way, River Niger. So as you can see, it's ready. So thank you guys, and God bless you. Please send us a message where you're watching us, and we can send you a hug on our next cooking. See you, and God bless you. Please like and subscribe. See you. This is Laura's Kitchen. Bye-bye.